Hi audience, and I just want to share what I thinking was to buying a iPhone or app. I wanted to buy some other brands, and right now my thinking was shifted to Samsung brand. And why? Because Samsung give you a lot of things in my price point. My price point was 30,000, and I'm still confused that confused because can I wanted to buy a Samsung or can I buy I still don't figure it out in my own mind why I don't want to buy iPhone because iPhone it was a little bit I feel that everyone was buying iPhone. Yes, iPhone is a good brand and I think that iPhone defines me. I feel that most of the people are selling the person identity was not defined. The mobile personality, mobile brand defining the person. So that's why I was decided to not buy. But actually, I figured it out and researched a lot of things that in this particular thing, I like it. I like the UI, US. I also find out nothing brand because I like new brands, new type of thing, creative thing. That's why nothing was quite good for me actually. And if I figure it out that nothing was kind of different, but the UI UX was not good. The UI UX interface was good in iPhone and how they manage all those. And the little bit I am more drawn into iPhone particular thing. There is no Samsung. Samsung was come because Samsung was quite good in each and every category in camera. Okay, Samsung was good. In AI hearing thing, Samsung was good. In analytic particular thing, Samsung was actually good. But in design level, well, you see the Samsung mobile that was not looking good. And if I wanted to buy all in this particular category, the first option for me is Samsung. Best option is Samsung. Why not iPhone? Because there is problem in battery life in iPhone when I can buy. I prefer this food. Okay, in Casify you can know that. And still my gut was saying that and thinking a lot of things about iPhone because iPhone was quite suit well for me. Because according to my personality, what was happening right now, that I didn't think about iPhone actually. But I know that iPhone suits me because my personality was little bit changing, little bit changes was coming in this particular time. You don't know about all those things, but quite in I am going and shift little bit in a luxury level. Okay, but I don't like dust. In past, I roam and go outside without thinking more dust was there or uh, and play with the balls where he go into Nelly. क्यों? चलो खेलते हैं ओ इस लिया फिर ऐसे टूट पुष्पा पलीदा था पहले दैट दिया दैट ओ यार क्या क्या गेम था and this genius was come in 2025 October. uh this is a different topic but luxury was come inherently automatically was coming to me actually that's why iPhone is good for me and I was little bit concerning about my own health, how I eat, how actually this is it happened because of October 2050. It all started from October 2025, and actually this is not my personality. In my past, I was more concerned about things, what I eat, what I live, and right now, not uh, how I can have money, how to create content better and better. My mindset a little bit changed. That's why iPhone suits me according to a personality. But I am, according to me, if I wanted to buy, I spent a lot of time in editing part. That's why I was more drawn into Samsung particular, according to my price range. And nothing working. I am more drawn to nothing con because it was unique, and I like and try unique thing, different thing, out of the box or kind of thing. Don't follow the crowd. Crowd was following iPhone. Okay, I don't want to try this type of thing. I wanted to try some other brand, but according to my analytical mind or my personal mind, I'm more drawn to emotionally with iPhone. And my practical mind was saying, okay, you spend more time in the editing part, and even you stood better in Samsung also. Why don't you buy a Samsung? I still my feelings so saying, okay, you would buy one. Different Apple. So what can I do? Right. This is a practical mind and this is a emotional mind. If in love also, I wanted to figure out, okay, okay, yeah. But I think about it as a love partner or okay, I have a lot of options in this market to find love. But also in the life, okay, this particular thing was good. This particular was bad. It was good for me, it good for not. That's why according to this, I'm checking a lot of options. Okay. Oh yeah, this is good, this is bad mobile, this is good mobile. It's look good, it's look bad, but what suits me actually? Oh, what suits me actually? This is icon. But what grows me actually? iPhone actually. Okay. Library. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm just go with the flow. Even if I don't go with the flow, ah, I don't be the content and not get the idea. This is what today. I don't know what I tell in this video, but I know that what I tell in this video, but in my brain, so many things was happening. I just so went to scout my. I take a talk a bit. Sorry. Henceforth. So, hence. Okay. This is a new stand. Okay. Hmm. फिर मिलते हैं. See you again. See you as. See you again. 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 Ooh.